Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. For the IBPS PO interview 2025-26, which language we should choose or prefer during the interview? Hindi allowed, not allowed, bilingual use कर सकते हैं, combination of English and Hindi. And what about regional language? Is the regional languages allowed in this interview or not? तो बात करेंगे इसके ऊपर in detail. First of all, guys, I would suggest you always follow the language of the panel. For example, there are 5 panel members. You are giving your interview in Mumbai, just for example, and you are giving your interview in Mumbai. 5 panel members are sitting over there. One have raised the question in English, and you are comfortable in English. You are comfortable in English, then you should respond in English only. Second panel member raised the question in Hindi. You are comfortable in Hindi as well. Then say your answer in Hindi also. I hope the point is clear. Follow the panel. It is always the best strategy. Second step, if you are not comfortable in any particular language, for example, panel member is raising the English question in English and you are not that comfortable to define the answer in English, you can take permission. That, sir, I want to give my answer in Hindi. The problem with the IBPS is regional language is not allowed. So even you are giving your interview in Mumbai, Maharashtra, they will not allow you to give your interview in Marathi. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? तो मराठी, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, these languages are not preferable during the IBPS PO interview because it is not RRB PO, it is IBPS PO, for which you have option of English and Hindi. Yes, you can use the combination of both. अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन है सर दोनों को मिलाकर यूज कर सकते हैं इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द बैंकिंग वर्ड्स वी डोंट नो इन हिंदी सो यू आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू से सेविंग अकाउंट एज बचत खाता समझो बात को अगर आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा गया व्हाट इज द पैटर्न ऑफ कैलकुलेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन द सेविंग अकाउंट तो आपको हिंदी में भी आंसर करना है आप ये बोल सकते हो सर सेविंग अकाउंट में जो कैलकुलेशन होता है रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट का इंटरेस्ट डिफाइन होता है ईयरली बेसिस पर इंटरेस्ट डिफाइन होता है ईयरली बेसिस पर सालाना बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है इंटरेस्ट डिफाइन होता है ईयरली बेसिस पर कैलकुलेशन डेली होता है और क्रेडिट होता है क्वार्टरली बेसिस पर या फिर कुछ बैंक्स मंथली भी करने लगे सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन फ्रेम योर आंसर देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम you can use it. So you can use the combination of English Hindi also but up to a managed level. Otherwise prefer your interview either in English or completely in Hindi. I hope my point is clear. Regional languages are not allowed. One important information, my interview batch is live with the complete guidance on 2 mock interview, 15 plus live session on the Guidely platform. You can check the details, join it. Already a big crowd have already joined. They are enjoying the session. You can also be the part of success rally of 2025-26 of IBPS PO. Take care, Jai Hind, all the best for your interview.